How to apply for IKEA Projekt Credit Card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can register or apply for IKEA Projekt Credit Card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply search for IKEA Projekt Card and you'll find this website by Bread Financial or Community. Simply open this site up. And after you open this site up, you will get the option to log in or register. So here you'll find the apply option. You'll also find the register option. Let's tap on this apply button right here, which will redirect us to IKEA. And right here now you can choose your best options. You can choose Visa credit card or Project credit card. There are also different options. You can find which one is better for you. You'll find the perks of each one. So just select whichever you want, and you can move on with the process. So let's scroll down and there you can see which you want to buy. So let's tap on this Visa card or IKEA Projekt Credit Card, learn more option. And after you choose that, you can then go ahead and again tap on apply now here. And after you tap on apply now, you will be prompted to where you can enter your personal details such as your name, your location and everything, where you can just fill out the form and apply for it. And with that, you will have applied for IKEA Projekt Credit Card. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.